management on my snap trade. As you can see, I am currently up 385. My goal for today is 475 at a price target of 74 bucks. So we're just going to go ahead and take a quick look here. I am managing it on a 2-minute time frame just to kind of get an intraday perspective. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do asymmetrical drawing to see where a higher price target could be. So we're just going to go here. I'm going to draw it up to this high, from this low to this high. Let me go ahead and duplicate this, put it from this low to the next possible high, which is around 74.40. So I'm going to go ahead and set another, I'm going to do an alarm at my price target, which is 74. So we'll go ahead and do create alert, at or above 74. We'll do 73.99. So I'm going to get an alert. I also have an alert here to let me know if it goes below this moving average. This is kind of acting like as a support. Right now I'm doing pretty good, just higher highs. This will be higher low. It's kind of confirming here. Price action should continue to the upside. And I'll just continue to manage it on a short-term time frame just to kind of get a microscopic perspective on how the trade is going and whether or not I want to go ahead and take profits. So just go ahead and keep managing it from here and see what we will make out for the day.